In recognition of the challenge facing our planet and pivotal role of our sciences in addressing these issues, we, IUGS, Busan Metropolitan City, and organizing committee of the 37th International Geological Congress hereby declare our commitment to the following principles and actions. Number one, recognition of responsibility of all scientists in creating a sustainable Earth. Understanding the Earth's processes and history is fundamental to our survival and prosperity. All scientists worldwide bear a unique responsibility to apply their knowledge towards the sustainable management, informed stewardship of Earth and her resources, the mitigation of natural hazards, and the adaptation to climate change. We pledge to, like this, advocate for and implement practice that seek a balance between resource extraction and environmental conservation. Enhance public awareness and understanding of geological phenomena, emphasizing their impact on society and the environment. So, collaborate with the policymakers, industry leaders, and communities to develop strategies that ensure the resilience and sustainability of our planet. Number two, commitment to global cooperation in all science research. The challenges we face are global in character and spread beyond national borders. Therefore, international collaboration in research through a policy of data transparency as well as data access and exchange and the collective development best practice is essential for advancing our understanding of the Earth. We commit to foster global networks to facilitate the open exchange of geoscientific data, knowledge, and innovations. Support initiatives that encourage interdisciplinary and cross-border research projects aimed at addressing global and regional issues of the Earth. Promote inclusivity and diversity within the geoscientific community, ensuring the voice from all the regions of the world are heard and in value. And we encourage the establishment of the Global Future Earth Science Research Center to sustain momentum and focus on the critical issues identified during this Congress. We propose the establishment of the Global Future Earth Science Research Center in Busan, Korea. The center will serve as a global hub for sciences database and research focusing on sustainable development, disaster risk reduction, and climate change adaptation. Facilitate the collaborative research program, workshop, and training sessions that align with the United Nations Sustainability Development Goal. Harness humanity's most innovative technology and methodology for Earth observation, analysis, and interpretation, making this tool accessible to the global geological community. In making this declaration, we call on all scientists, related professionals, and stakeholders from all sectors to join us in our commitment to these principles and actions. Together, we can ensure that our collective knowledge and effort contribute to a more sustainable, resilient, and equitable planet for future generations. At the closing ceremony of the 37th IGC on August 31st, 2024 in Busan, Korea, in the name of IUGS, Busan Metropolitan City, and Organizing Committee of the 37th International Congress. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Just announced by Chairman. Thank you. Actually, Chairman.